It has been over 42 years since Interstyle produced the first glass tile, and since then, constant innovation and research has led to hundreds of unique products and installations. Throughout all of the years of development, the thing that has made us stand out is our mastery of ceramic color on glass. We have created thousands of new colors to develop outstanding color collections, one-of-a-kind installations, and stunning artist collaborations. A lot goes into creating a finished glass tile. We import glass from all over the world to our factory. We have a customized cutting table where glass is first cut into more manageable sizes for our manufacturing process. We work with a large variety of glass, and each type has its own characteristics from thickness to color. There's a best choice for each job depending on our final product requirements. Once the glass has been cut into workable pieces, it goes to be cleaned to remove any residual chemicals and dirt. While the glass is being cut, sorted, and cleaned, the color for the tiles is also being mixed, tested, and prepared. Over the years, we have created a library with thousands of formulas and tests that allow us to offer a full spectrum of colors with a range of tints, shades, and finishes, all specifically developed to fuse perfectly onto the glass. We have a huge inventory of glaze components and specialty ingredients to work with. We are constantly testing our formulas and discovering new combinations to create the next great installation. Once the formula is approved, a production batch is mixed and milled and sent to the printing department. At Interstyle, all of the glaze colors are silkscreened onto individual pieces of glass by our skilled artisans. They can silkscreen anything from solid colors to intricate multicolored patterns. We use both traditional manual silkscreens as well as machine-assisted screening stations. After the color is applied to the glass and dried, it's on to the next step of cutting. Interstyle has developed its own technology for glass cutting, which allows precision cutting for a large production. Just program the cutting requirements and our computer-operated machines will take care of the scoring and breaking. The cutting machines are calibrated to cut and score 50 standard sizes. For larger tiles, our team inspects and cleans the tiles and then places them onto prepared firing boards. A conveyor belt moves them along to the kiln opening. Smaller mosaic tiles can be loaded onto boards with a robot. It is sensitive enough to pick up the small tiles and place them onto the boards in a perfect pattern for firing. The tile travels through the 120-foot custom-built kiln for 2.5 hours from start to finish. The temperature curves are carefully controlled and monitored to ensure consistent results. Once tiles are fired, they are inspected. If they are being shipped as individual tiles, they are carefully packed, labeled, and sent to shipping. If they are destined to become part of a blend or mosaic, off they go to the meshing department. For mosaic-sized tiles, we have developed our own robots that can automatically select, sort, and place the tiles onto jigs. This enables us to create an easily installed sheet of tiles by gluing meshing material to the back. Our ingenious computer-run robots also allow us to manufacture large, complex mosaics and multicolored blends that are easily installed in pre-meshed and carefully mapped out sections. We are constantly creating beautiful new patterns and color combinations which are assembled and prepared by our team for the most creative architects, designers, and homeowners. Our mosaics and custom blends are carefully assembled and manually inspected before being sent for installation. One of our specialties is creating high-quality glass tiles specifically manufactured to swimming pool specifications. For swimming pool installations, we apply clear adhesive plastic to the front of the assembled tiles instead of mesh on the back. Every day we ship thousands of square feet of beautiful artisan-made glass tiles for installation in airports, swimming pools, commercial buildings, and homes all over the world.